Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most respected performance cars ever created, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S. For decades, the 911 Turbo has represented the perfect balance between everyday usability, luxury, cutting-edge technology, and supercar performance. With the arrival of the 2026 model, Porsche continues to refine a formula that many enthusiasts consider nearly perfect. The Porsche 911 Turbo S has always occupied a unique place in the automotive world. It isn't just another sports car. It isn't simply a luxury coupe, and it certainly isn't an ordinary supercar. Instead, it combines the best characteristics of all three categories into one remarkably complete package. The moment you see the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S, you immediately recognize its heritage. The iconic silhouette remains unmistakably Porsche. That sloping roofline, the muscular rear fenders, the compact cabin, every element pays tribute to decades of engineering evolution. Yet despite its familiar shape, the new Turbo S feels more modern, aggressive, and sophisticated than ever before. At the front, Porsche has refined the design with sharper LED matrix headlights that provide exceptional visibility, while enhancing the vehicle's futuristic appearance. The front fascia has been sculpted carefully to improve aerodynamic efficiency. Large air intakes direct airflow exactly where it's needed, helping cool critical components, while maximizing performance. Every line has a purpose. Every surface contributes to speed and stability. As you move along the side profile, the proportions remain instantly recognizable. The wide rear track creates an incredibly muscular stance. Flush door handles improve aerodynamics while maintaining a clean appearance. Massive alloy wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly, giving the car an aggressive posture even when parked. The side mirrors have been optimized to reduce wind resistance without sacrificing visibility. It's the kind of attention to detail that Porsche is known for. At the rear, the design becomes even more dramatic. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the back of the car, creating an unmistakable nighttime signature. The active rear wing automatically adjusts depending on speed and driving conditions. At lower speeds, it remains subtle as velocity increases. It deploys to generate additional downforce and improve stability. Quad exhaust outlets remind everyone that this is not an ordinary 911. This is the Turbo S, one of the fastest road cars Porsche has ever produced. Open the door and step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that perfectly blends luxury with performance. The cabin feels premium from every angle. Soft leather covers nearly every surface. High-quality materials create an atmosphere of craftsmanship and sophistication. The seats immediately stand out. They offer exceptional support during aggressive driving while remaining comfortable enough for long-distance touring. This dual personality defines the Turbo S experience. The driving position feels almost perfect. You sit low in the chassis, creating an intimate connection between driver and machine. The steering wheel is beautifully designed. Every control feels precise. Every button has a purpose. Directly ahead sits a fully digital instrument cluster inspired by Porsche's heritage. Traditional design cues remain present, but modern technology allows extensive CUST, OMIZ, ATION, performance data, navigation information, vehicle settings, driving statistics. Everything is presented clearly and logically. The central infotainment display has been upgraded for 2026 with improved graphics, faster processing speeds, and enhanced connectivity features, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Integration comes standard. Voice commands work more naturally than ever before. Navigation functions have become increasingly sophisticated. Yet, despite all this technology, Porsche has managed to maintain simplicity. Nothing feels overwhelming. Everything feels intuitive. Now, let's discuss what makes the Turbo S truly legendary. The engine mounted behind the rear axle is a twin-turbocharged flat-six engine that continues Porsche's commitment to high-performance engineering. The numbers are astonishing. Power output is expected to exceed 650 horsepower, placing the Turbo S firmly among the fastest production cars in the world. But raw horsepower tells only part of the story. What truly makes the Turbo S remarkable is how effectively it delivers that performance. Press the accelerator, and the response feels immediate. Turbo lag is virtually non-existent. Acceleration builds with relentless intensity. The all-wheel drive system ensures every bit of power reaches the pavement efficiently. Launch control transforms the car into a missile. The moment you release the brake pedal, the Turbo S explodes forward. The sensation is difficult to describe. Your body presses firmly into the seat. The scenery begins to blur, and before you realize it, you've reached speeds that would have seemed impossible just a few decades ago. Yet, despite this extraordinary performance, the car remains remarkably easy to drive. That's one of Porsche's greatest achievements. The Turbo S never feels intimidating instead. It feels accessible, predictable, confident. The 8-speed PDK transmission deserves enormous credit for that experience. Gear changes occur almost instantly. The transmission always seems to know exactly what gear you need. Whether you're cruising calmly through traffic or attacking a winding mountain road, the PDK performs flawlessly. Handling remains another defining characteristic. Many high-performance cars excel in straight-line acceleration, but struggle to maintain composure through corners. The Turbo S does both exceptionally well. The steering feels precise. The chassis communicates clearly. The suspension adapts continuously to changing road conditions. Porsche's advanced active suspension management system balances comfort and performance brilliantly. Drive through the city, and the car feels surprisingly comfortable. Find your favorite back road, and it transforms into a precision instrument. Braking performance is equally impressive. Massive carbon ceramic brakes provide extraordinary stopping power. The brake pedal feels firm and predictable. Confidence remains high, regardless of conditions. Technology plays a significant role throughout the driving experience. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, traffic, sign recognition, assistance. All these systems work seamlessly in the background. They enhance convenience without distracting from the joy of driving. Fuel efficiency may not be the primary concern for most Turbo S buyers. But Porsche continues improving efficiency through advanced engineering, modern turbocharging technology, intelligent energy management systems, and improved aerodynamics contribute to respectable fuel economy considering the performance available. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S is expected to remain one of the most exclusive and desirable sports cars on the market. Industry estimates suggest a starting price between $230,000 and $260,000, depending on market and optional equipment. Fully equipped examples could easily exceed that figure. However, buyers aren't simply purchasing transportation, they're investing in one of the most complete performance cars ever engineered. The Turbo S succeeds because it excels in nearly every category. It's incredibly fast, it's luxurious, it's comfortable, it's practical, enough for daily use, and it's built with the attention to detail that has made Porsche one of the world's most respected automotive manufacturers. Imagine opening your garage early on a Sunday morning. The 911 Turbo S sits waiting. The bodywork reflects the first rays of sunlight. You press the start button. The flat-six engine awakens. A subtle growl fills the air. The road ahead begins to call. Every corner becomes an opportunity. Every straightaway becomes an experience. Every drive becomes a memory. That's the magic of the Porsche 911 Turbo. It's more than a sports car, it's more than a sport car. It's a machine designed to make every journey feel special. The 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S continues that tradition beautifully. It represents decades of engineering excellence, a relentless pursuit of performance, and a commitment to creating one of the finest driving experiences available anywhere in the automotive world. Thank you for joining us for this first look at the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive reviews, first looks, and performance card coverage. Let us know in the comments if the Porsche 911 Turbo S would be your dream sports car. Until next time, drive safely, enjoy every mile, and we'll see you in the next video.